Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we share the best health tips and tricks to keep you feeling your best. Today I'm going to share the absolute best way to say goodbye to toenail fungus forever. Yes, you heard that right, forever. Imagine no more hiding your toes in shame or avoiding the beach because of unsightly toenail fungus. Let's dive right in and reclaim your confidence. First off, what exactly is toenail fungus? It's more common than you might think. It starts as a white or yellow spot under the tip of your toenail and can quickly become a bigger problem if not treated. If left untreated, it can cause your nail to discolor, thicken and crumble at the edge. Not fun, right? It can even become painful and lead to more serious infections. Now let's talk solutions. The number one cure for toenail fungus: tea tree oil. This natural remedy is a game changer. Tea tree oil is packed with antifungal and antiseptic properties that can help clear up the infection and promote healthy nail growth. It's like a little bottle of magic for your nails. Here's how you do it. It's simple and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. First, wash the affected area with soap and water and dry thoroughly. This step is crucial to ensure the oil can penetrate effectively. Next, apply a few drops of tea tree oil directly to the nail and the surrounding skin. Make sure to cover the entire area. Use a cotton swab to spread it evenly. This helps to ensure that the oil reaches all the nooks and crannies where the fungus might be hiding. Do this twice a day, morning and night. Consistency is key here, folks. Don't expect overnight results. Healing takes time, and patience is your best friend in this process. It can take several weeks to months of regular application for the fungus to disappear completely. But trust me, it's worth it. Your patience will pay off with beautiful, healthy nails. Now, a quick tip. Make sure to keep your nails trimmed and clean. This not only helps the tea tree oil penetrate better, but also prevents the fungus from spreading. Regular grooming is essential. This not only helps the tea tree oil penetrate better, but also prevents the fungus from spreading. Clean nails are happy nails. And for those of you who prefer a ready-made solution, there are plenty of over-the-counter antifungal creams and ointments available. These can be a great alternative if you're not into DIY remedies. Just make sure to read the instructions and apply as directed. Following the guidelines is crucial for the treatment to be effective. So, to sum it up, tea tree oil is your go-to natural remedy. Tea tree oil is your go-to natural remedy. It's affordable, easy to use, and highly effective. Apply it twice daily, keep your nails trimmed, and be patient. Consistency and patience are your best allies in this journey. You'll be flaunting those healthy, fungus-free toes in no time. Imagine the freedom of walking barefoot without any embarrassment. Remember, always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. It's always best to get professional advice tailored to your specific situation. And if your toenail fungus is severe or persistent, it might be time to see a doctor. Sometimes professional medical treatment is necessary to fully resolve the issue. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you found this information helpful and feel empowered to tackle toenail fungus head-on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content. Stay healthy and take care of those toes. Catch you next time. Remember, healthy feet are happy feet.